Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Here we talk about various small and big problems related to paper cup machine and their solutions. Please subscribe to our channel as it motivates us to bring new videos for you every day. Today we will talk about the new top 138S model paper cup machine and see how it works. Many people are confused about its process. So let me explain it step by step. First, the blanks are prepared by spraying water. Then they are loaded into the feeder stand. After that, the bottom paper is loaded. Next, side heating takes place. Then ultrasonic high frequency vibration is used for side sealing. After this, the bottom paper is cut and inserted into the mold. Then the paper cone rotates inside the mold and gets properly fitted. Next, bottom side heating is done. After that, bottom side oiling is applied if required. Then bottom curling takes place and after curling, knurling is done. Once the knurling is completed, then cup drops onto the second turn plate mold. After that, top side oiling is done. This is compulsory to make a proper rim. After oiling, pre-rolling takes place, followed by final rolling. After the final roll, the cup goes through an inspection process which use a cup detection system to sort out defective cups. This inspection system is optional. After inspection, the cups move to the collecting table for final packing. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.